Personal trainers cover up. We still need one question. Why would you kill for a pair of yoga pants? It's a 70 snap. Next Sunday at 9, 8 Central. Only on Oxygen.
In New York City's war on crime, the worst criminal offenders are pursued by the detectives of the Major Case Squad. These are their stories.
I hope that you don't mind, but I just... Sorry? I really just like that off. Isabel, don't think about it for a second. I'm helping do it. Thanks, Frida.
I didn't know where the money was going. It's incredible. My own employee. We have procedures that put stocks in that overnight. Frida? I'm sure it's not yet. I'll make some calls. I'm sorry, Earl. I didn't realize that somebody with you. It's a boulevard, Peter. Anytime you're ready. You ready now, Michael? We're done.
Nothing, Dean.
My partner will be right with us.
A little to your right. Head up. Bye, Glenn. See you tomorrow. You should get your card and wake us up.
We got mad now.
Everything okay? I left my Walkman in my locker. It's on your way, Bill.
So as soon as she's unpacked, I'll take her out to dinner. And Frida, don't forget, traffic is bad to get up at this time of day.
Thank you. Nelson? Coming to see you. Could you cover it to me? I'm happy for you.
Sabay ka na airfare. Oo. Sige. Sige na gusto naman.
Mother, what are you doing here? Why are you upstairs?
I have been waiting here for over a
No, she doesn't know me with that.
Danielle! Hey, what's up? Well, here's what's going on. I bought 3 fish heads, and Frank bought a flinky. What I'm thinking.
So we need to get you a lead, right? Is that what you're telling me?
We'd love to hear it.
So this gentleman, Tom, and his family, he has 7 kids, actually had to flee from the BP oil spill. You know, that big 2010 massive oil spill?
Oh, yeah.
I started looking for a place in North Carolina, and they ended up settling in this abandoned motel. So the whole family lives in this abandoned motel now. Get this, he's an auctioneer who can collect himself for a Valentine.
Yeah, we're on the border of South Carolina and North Carolina right now. Thank you. Now, we should go warehouses, I've picked farmhouses, barns. I even picked a Mercury stable one time, but I've never picked an old motel.
Is it right here? Oh, he's got stuff already outside. Well, over here. Put all that up there. All right. Looks pretty cool.
Hello. Hey. You Tom?
What's going on there? Yeah.
Hey, I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
Frank, how you doing? Very nice to meet you.
Talk to Danielle?
Yeah, she said you guys are coming.
Bye. She said you're an auctioneer, huh?
Yeah, I'm an auctioneer, but I'm a recording artist too.
What kind of music do you play?
Alternative country, rock and roll.
That's exactly what we love.
Yeah,
Exactly.
I don't fit the mold.
Right away, Tom seems like an interesting person. He's got his hands in a lot of different things. What kind of picks we love? She said you're from Florida?
From Florida, yeah, we had a little bit of trouble with that oil volcano going off, and I just bolted with my family.
Well, load it up, huh?
Yeah. After the oil spill, they began dumping the toxic corrosive chemicals on it to sink the oil, and they began spraying our house. And I couldn't take a chance with my beautiful family, so we loaded up and came up here and lived in our hotels for 2 months with 7 kids and a dog. We bought this hotel. We come to love this place. This is my home. I had so much stuff put away in my barns. It's 7 bucks to get it up there. We already got places for it.
about Humira adalimumab. Humira has been proven to work for adults who have tried other medications but still experience the symptoms of moderate to severe Crohn's disease. In clinical studies, the majority of patients on Humira found significant symptom relief and many achieved remission. Humira can lower your ability to fight infections, including tuberculosis. Serious sometimes fatal events such as infections, trauma, or other types of cancer have happened. Blood, liver, and nervous system problems, serious allergic reactions, and or worsening heart failure are common. Before starting Humira, your doctor should test you for TB. Ask your doctor if you live in or visit a region where certain fungal infections
Oh, she's so... In the room?
Are prone to infections or have symptoms such as fever, fatigue, cough, or sores. You should not start Humira if you have any kind of infection. Get headed in a new direction. Humira remission is possible. Imagine an air freshener that can instantly make your home fresh and inviting. Introducing Glade Expressions Fragrance Mist. A squeeze at the neck of the bottle releases a fragrant mist, eliminating odors. Light layers of fresh cotton and a tiny mandarin to instantly fill the air with fragrance. With a stylish design, it can be left out, so you can have long-lasting fragrance whenever you need it. And it's available at any replace refill. Glade Expressions Fragrance Mist at C. Johnson, a family company.
I think you have to put in the pocket, but look, you have to cut that.
When they can. So shake it up. Take that. Try it in Strawberry Fields and find fun stuff on our Facebook page. After school, simply faster than Kenny can dodge a question. In just 60 seconds, you've got snack to find, satisfying Totino's pizza rolls. It's on. Let's roll.
We created a brand we're so proud of, we put our name on it. At JCP Shop, you'll find homemade clothes and mix with your favorite.